Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am not happy about what has to be done today, but I'm going to be doing some farm chores that I've been putting off that I don't want to do, but today is finally the day, so let's get right on into it. First, starting off with these funny guys right here. Their water dish is covered with algae. There's feathers in there. It is disgusting, and I do rinse it out every once in a while, but I have not given it a deep like scrubbing. So I have. Alrighty, we got our scrubby brush and our dish soap, and this is not used for our inside dishes. This is specifically for animal things. Just trying to make that absolutely clear. Don't judge me for how bad this water dish is. Ooh, I know it's bad. As the saying goes, if you don't want to drink from it, neither do your animals do, and I have not been 100% on that, so let's get this scrub nice and clean. First, we have to remove it from their poop, and hopefully they do not decide they want to hurt me today. Ooh, this is bad. Some soap. I'm gonna put some water in here. We're gonna get scrubbing. Ooh, it's dirty. Alrighty, I'll be back when this is done. It is now thoroughly cleaned and rinsed. It looks almost brand new. We're gonna put this back in there and refill it back on up. Time to refill. Alrighty, perfect. That is unfortunately not the only water that I have to scrub clean. This one unfortunately also has some algae buildup on the inside there, and I have never been able to really use the hose and spray it out good enough. So we're gonna use some soap and a scrubby brush, and hopefully this one will get looking also clean and brand new. So let's go ahead and do that. Now this is the cleanest it has ever looked. So this is gonna dry, and then I'm gonna put it back in storage for chicks next year for the waterers. Yeah, I usually only keep one of these out, and I had 2 out, so need to do the cleanest one, and we'll get it ready to put away. And now on to the next task. On to my next task. I have to put this up and away. I used this to break a broody hen, and now she is no longer broody, so I'm going to put this up and save it for when I need it to put somebody in jail the next time. If you're wondering how to put that up, it's because so it's out of the way, and so I can clean it easier. I'll clean it some other time. Oops, another task to put off for a while. But that's okay for now. Next to the next one, if you're easily grossed out by animal excrements, then don't watch this bit. If you're wondering what this next task is, it is scraping chicken poop off my coop wall. And before you guys see this, don't judge me, guys. We all get a little, let's say, not exactly excited to do these types of chores, but I'm gonna do it right now. So unfortunately, when they roost, just because built, their poop sort of catches on these 2x4s and makes poop mountains. So this is like a spackle spatula or paint spatula, and this works really well to scrape poop off your roosting bars or anywhere there is chicken poop you want to get off. Oh, okay, that's gross. Much better. Time for the next one. It is your birthday. Oh my word. This is crazy. Ugh. And like I said, you can also scrape your roosting bars off. Get all the excrement off as well. Everything else is pretty good. I don't know if I've showed you guys my mama's broody hen, Tater Tot, how she's grown up so far. She looks so cute. If you want to see her when she was only a day old, go check out my Instagram at thewaterlion3. But she's definitely grown so much. She's an Old English Game Bantam, and she is so adorable and growing up so good, little baby. Just thought I would include this little snippet to show you guys how good she is doing. There is still a few things that I have not done yet, like fixing the duck pool. Unfortunately, there is a leak in this pool, although it doesn't look right now. There's just a big layer of sand and poop on the pool that it is blocking the hole because it does on the very bottom. When I clean it all out and refill with water, it completely all drains out. So I need to plug the hole, find the hole, and plug up the hole at some point. I know this is disgusting. Tomorrow is cleaning day for the duck pool, but I've currently been using that little white bathtub which they use in the winter time to hold their water for now while I figure that out. But that is, we do not have time for that today, so that'll be at some other point. Yeah, so that is pretty much all I have to do, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!